So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. First of all, remember, don't spread any fake news. Be a good CMA professional and be a good citizen. Don't believe fake news, and everything will be available for notification. So these are the key points I will gather. Exam dates will be announced soon. So mock test paper suggested answers for January previous examination will be released soon for at least I think 1 week or 2 weeks maybe release suggested answers. So wait for that. All training exemptions will be same applicable for upcoming examinations also. So remember it. Exemption of all exemptions for 2021 December examination same applicable for all examination, either computer training or subject exemption or whatever SAP course, and everything will be exempted for upcoming examinations. We can add another group for who have already appeared in the examinations for June term. It will be same applicable to the December examinations also. Please, you can upload your verification and details, and everything will be notification will be released by the institute. Wait for that. Don't panic. Institute will always be with the students. Institute will be always with the student. Don't spread any fake news. Don't believe any fake false statements and Twitter, social media news. Don't believe that. So wait for that. So this is the officially notification. Whenever we see, this is the official date and the institute icons, institute details. So this is the notification. Remember, whenever the students must be understand the subject here. Merge of notification of intermediate and final examinations will be merged with December 21 for June and December 2021 session will be uploaded, or the dates will be. So these dates will be announced soonly due to the unavoidable circumstances. So institute have been some technical problems, so in that will rectify. That is one more golden opportunity for the students who have appearing the upcoming examinations. So all the demand drafts and will be same applicable if already paid. So here it is. Here the last candidate who have submitted examination application form for the last attempts 2000 intermediate both levels, and sessions will be changed accordingly. Application and can be added their additional group by payment by differential examination fees for DD and demand draft along with the online submitted application form sent by directorate of the appearing examination will be same applicable. We need to pay and we did not pay any examinations for the previous. Second line will be. So second here, candidates who have not applied for intermediate examinations for previously, we can apply now for freshers. For the fresher students only apply for this examination. So examination window will be open soon. Wait for that. So already uploaded my examination forms in my YouTube channel. Go through that. So I will link in the description also. So please go through that. All the best. Stay tuned and Jai Hind. Thanks for watching. So all questions will be released soon, so don't panic. So examinations notification dates will be announced. So wait for that. Everything will be student favor. Please prepare and enjoy, also study. Thanks for watching. See you.